Hi, I'm Roger.Woodruff with Guaranty here in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. Today we're going to look at a 2021 Coachmen Mirada 350SF. Great coach, double slides, beautiful rig. This coach is gorgeous. So I'm inside the 350SF Coachmen Mirada. We've got theater seating straight across from the entertainment package. We've got a sofa that's going to make into a nice sleeper. We've got an overhead front sleeper. We've got a big booth dinette with storage underneath it that makes into another sleeper. And then in back, we've got a beautiful bed, full walk around. It's a double slide. We've got three TVs inside, one TV outside. So the entertainment package is pretty thick and awesome. Love it. Dual AC, big refrige, convection microwave. It's got the oven. It's got the 3-burner stove. It's got one large sink. Oh my gosh, I could just go on and on about this coach. It's got a little bit of everything. It's really well laid out. Open floor plan. You know, there's so much more I could tell you about this coach. Give me a call. Thanks. I'm Roger.Woodruff with Guaranty here in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. If you have any questions about this coach or any others, give me a call. Have a great day. Thanks.